Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library, and today we're going to make a Goodnight Moon snack. And this is the book that we read earlier this week. It's a beautiful book called Goodnight Moon by Margaret Wise Brown. And today we're going to make a snack based on 3 things in that book. They talk about mush, and guess what? Oatmeal. Looks like mush. I made this morning, by the way. It's still warm, so we have oatmeal. And then there's a red balloon in the story. And you could use a strawberry or a grape for your red balloon. And then, of course, there's the moon in the story. So this is the first thing you're going to do. And you can just make a little snack. You don't have to have a very big one. And I have 2 little bowls here. And we're just going to take some mush. Oh, it's just oatmeal. And we're going to put some in each bowl, just like this. We're going to smoosh it down a little bit like that. And then I think we'll make another one. I think we'll make 2. One for me, one for a friend. Okay? Or somebody in your family. Okay? And who doesn't like oatmeal? There you go. There's your mush. Now, it says a red balloon. So for your red balloon, you might want to use a strawberry. Ah, there's your red balloon in that one. But in the other one, you might want to use just a pretty red grape that you found in your refrigerator. There's your balloon, mush and a balloon. And now you need to make a moon. I just have a little piece of cheese here, and it's pretty soft, so I'm going to show you how to take a toothpick and just go around in a half. Oh, careful, in a half a circle, just like that. And there is your moon. And I'm going to put it on my toothpick, and there's my moon. Oh, let's make one more. If I turn this around this way, can everybody see? I hope so. We're going to take this toothpick, and we're going to go half a circle. Oh, it's going to come out just perfect. It's going to be a great moon. Can you see what I'm doing there? Just taking it around. I don't even need a knife. And there's my other half moon. I'm going to take the toothpick. I'm going to put that right there. And there's my other snack. And so for your bedtime snack, or your daytime snack really, you have the mush, you have the moon, Goodnight Moon, and you have your red balloon. And in this one, red balloon and a moon and mush. So I hope you'll try to make one of these at home. Have fun. You can use anything you have at home that might look or be similar to this. Just make yourself a good night snack, and good night moon. Bye everybody. Miss you. Hope to see you soon.